What's up, guys? I can't even believe I have to make this video. But how do you read a tape measure? If you weren't blessed with shop class like I was back in high school, this is where the American school system is failing our kids, because there's no creativity and there's no more shop classes and there's no more hands-on stuff. But that's just my opinion, and you know what they say about those. Everybody's got one. The full lines are a full inch. The next shorter line is our half-inch. The next shortest one from that is a quarter, and it incrementally goes down from there. So this would be 1/4. On the other side of the half-inch, that would be your 3/4 line. And then the next shorter line from there is your 1/8 inch. So 1/8. 2/8 would equal 1/4. 3/8 of an inch, 4/8 also equals a half. And then the next shorter line from there would be your 1/16 of an inch. So these are the tiniest little kicks on the actual tape measure. Familiarize yourself with it, you're just gonna help yourself out. We always go length with height. So the height also being the thickness of the piece. Sometimes that gets confused. Well, I have a mantle that's, 5 inches thick, let's say. We would call that 5 inches high. The width would also be the depth of that mantle. So if you have a 5 inch by 10 inch, 5 inch high, 10 inches deep, then the overall length of the piece is exactly that. How long is that piece? All right, guys, that was today's lesson, the first lesson. Hopefully it's nice and easy. You're getting off even easier with no homework. First lesson by Professor Saraceno. You guys have a great day.